Dear viewers, today I will show you how to use dated if formula and using this formula how to calculate your age in year, in month and in day. This is very important thing. Sometimes you need to fill up many kinds of application and other forms. So for this, let me show you how to do it. Let me clear everything here. First, I will calculate a date of age of one person whose date of birth is 12 December 1990 from today's. So this is my today's date. So how to write it? For this, I will simply plot equal sign and write today simply parenthesis. If I press OK, so today's date will come. Okay. Now I want to calculate the age in year, in month and day. So for this, I will use date option formula. So I will put equal sign and write dated if, give parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, I will put the value of date of birth. So I am clicking here. Okay. Then put comma. Then I want to subtract the date from today. So I will put the today's date, cell number. Then I want to print the number in a year. So I will put Y under the second quotation. I will put enter the OK. So see, the year has come. Now I want to see the month, how many months after 32 years. For this same way, I will go to dated if option. Okay, insert parenthesis. So under the parenthesis, I will put the date which I want to subtract, comma, the date from where I want to subtract, comma, I want to print the month. So for this I will write month. But this, if we put this month, it will give us the total number of the month from 2090. For this, I have to simply add one text. It is Y. So what is the meaning of this YM? It means month after year. So if I press OK, now see the 11. This is the 11 after 32 years. So I can say his age up to today is 32 years 11 months. I want to see his number of days also. So for this same way, I will use dated if function formula and put the date which I want to subtract from today. Okay, and then today's date, then comma. Same way I want to put the day. So under the second quotation, double, what I need to do, I need to put the month. Okay, so same way I can find the age of anyone from any specific date. For this, look, the date of birth of person is 13th October 2005. So I want to see the date, but the age in up to 31 December 2022. For this, I will also use dated if and click the date which I want to subtract and the specific date from where I want to subtract. Simply write the double quotation Y and double quotation and parenthesis. Okay, the same way I will again use dated if parenthesis the date where I want to subtract the date from where I want to subtract, and the colon. Same way I want to know the month after year, so year after month. Again same way I will use dated if function and put the value which I want to subtract, and then from where I want to subtract, then double quote I want to day, but before day I need to put month, so it's okay. So 18 days. So this is how you can use dated if function for such type of age related calculation. Thank you so much. Thank you.